number and dial again.
I come to your door to see you again. Where you once stood was an old man instead. I asked where you'd be. He said just move down, you see. All I have is a number. You better ask her, not me. So I picked up the phone and dialed your number. Not sure to put it down on speed. Then a voice I once knew answered in a sweet voice. She said, hello, then pause before I begin to speak. Babe, I'm here again. Tell you I'm here again. Babe, where have you been? Where have you been? Babe, I'm back again. Tell you I'm back again. Babe, where have you been? You held your voice well. There were tears I could tell. Where were you now? Was he gonna tell me in time? Just give me a time. Now we straight down. I got so much to tell you about where I have been. As I walk down your road, can't wait to be near you. Can't keep it feeling inside. As I stand at your door, you answered in a sweet voice. You said, hello, then pause before I begin to speak. Babe, I'm here again. Tell you I'm here again. Where have you been? Where have